The A Beka curriculum is a very popular choice for many homeschooling families. It is also used in quite a few Christian schools across the country. The A Beka books were developed at Pensacola Christian College. They are based on experience and information gathered over a period of 50 years in the classrooms of Pensacola Christian Academy by many writers. They are unique in that they do not use any currently published works for their curriculum, but instead research and develop their own. Dr. and Mrs. Arlen Horton are the founders of A Beka book, and the series is named after Mrs. Horton, whose first name is Rebecca. The A Beka homeschool curriculum is fundamentally Christian-based. The main goal of this program is to ground children in the Christian faith. Every aspect and subject points toward the Christian worldview. It is a workbook-based curriculum and is very detailed. It goes step by step through each concept and is very comprehensive. This is a good curriculum for those homeschool families who are very organized or need a highly structured program. There are 3 choices when working with the A Beka book homeschool program. There is the A Beka Academy DVD option, which provides 2 options. The first is the fully accredited college preparatory program in which A Beka keeps all of the records. The second is the non-accredited program in which the parent keeps all the records. Each covers the exact same material. The only difference is the price. Basically, in addition to the workbooks, the DVDs feature teachers who help to explain the subjects in greater detail. The second option is the A Beka Academy traditional parent-directed option. This is a fully accredited college prep program. A Beka provides you with teacher manuals that explain exactly how to follow and teach the curriculum. You teach the material and A Beka keeps your records for you. It is very much like a traditional school without the school building. You send in all of the work and tests and they grade them and issue a report card. There is an academic calendar along with progress reports. This is much the same as the DVD option minus the DVDs. The third option is the textbooks, materials for homeschooling. This is simply the curriculum. There is no other involvement from A Beka besides the materials. You will keep all the records and set your own pace. You can order the entire program or just the items that you feel are appropriate for your child. Many parents who choose this option will use parts of another curriculum along with the A Beka materials. A Beka book is a good choice for homeschool families. It is very biblically based and structured. It sets a strong foundation during the early years in core subjects such as reading and math, and continues to challenge students all the way through high school. The A Beka book homeschool curriculum is a great tool with which to teach your child and offers many options. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.